Hi, welcome to my next assignment, that is AI customer support bot. By the name itself you might have understood it's a support bot with the help of AI. So I have used six nodes to achieve my requirement. So let me walk you through each node. First one is a webhook node, which helps to get the user inputs from the chat or from the postman. And I have used the post method. Next, coming to this HTTP request, this is where this is the main node which responds back to the user inputs. That is HTTP request, which here I've used a Groq as a AI and Llama for a supportive model. Next, here I've added a filter condition, that is if that just to avoid the just to filter out the rubbish data or rubbish input from the end user. So if the user input is a good input, it will go to respond to webhook node. That is, it will this node help us to send the response back to the user. Okay, something like this. If the user input is very bad, like something like space or something like that, so it will go to this send a message to the particular user whom they are texting, and this will be notified to the person, particular person. Next, it will go to this response back, respond to the webhook, whatever it is there, the invalid input. It will just show the end user. Our support team will get back to you shortly. So once the other main person who sees the message through mail will be responding back to the end user. So let me give you a small demo how this is working. So let me go to this hopscotch, that is something similar to postman. So here I will give hi. Yeah, here you can see it is responded, and again I can give some other message. Yeah, this is the oh, sorry. This I have not published. That's why it is throwing that error. Let me execute again. Go back here. Let me give this. Yeah, see, it is giving a good response. So now you can see the tick marks. What and all flow. It is how the flow is going. You can see there is no workflow got for false brand. Let me walk you through this also. So small demo. I earlier I mentioned the rubbish data or space at something like that. So let me give you some space and see what it gives. See, this goes to a particular person who is handling this AI chat bot. He'll be notified with the email, something which is unanswerable by AI. Okay, and here you can see the response back. Our team will get back to you shortly. Y- Yeah, this is all about AI customer support bot. You can use it. I can use it in your web application or somewhere, wherever you require. So that's all about this. Thank you.